Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're playing with a lot of 99-cent store makeup. Some of those products are included the Cherimoya brow set. We have the cinnamon lip set. We also have the LA Colors clear lip gloss. We have the Smoke and Mirrors dual eyeliner, as well as the LA Colors full cover concealer in the shade Natural. And we're also playing with some new LA Colors eyeshadows from the 99-cent store. If you want to see what I thought of everything and how I got this look, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video, if you like it, and the video is going to start right now. You guys remember from the 99-cent store part of my haul, I actually got a lipstick set and it came with the lip balm, and this is the cinnamon lip balm. That is the shade there. It's really nice, very vibrant, and that's actually the amount of product that we get in here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some on. It definitely smells like cinnamon. It's giving me Christmas vibes and it feels so nice on the lips. All right, so that's the lip balm. It definitely left a tint on the lips. I think it looks cute, whatever. It feels hydrating on the lips and it smells so nice. It smells like cinnamon. So far, it's cute. It's nice. All right, if you guys remember, I also got a brow set. I know this is the brow set. It's like a clear brow gel. We also have a highlighting pencil. So this is something I have to remember to use, basically to highlight underneath the brow bone. And we also have their dual-ended brow pencil, and these are not my shade at all, but I do have a backup brow pencil in a darker shade just to see if we could fix it up if it looks a little crazy. And then we have the brow marker here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the brow pencil. As you can see, this is definitely a brown liner. So we'll see. They didn't have any other shades when at my 99-cent store when I went, so we'll see how this comes off on the brow. Oh, it's extremely creamy. So it's like wherever you put it. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work for me, honestly, because they are rather brown, red brown, and my brow hairs are black. So let's just keep going. Let's see what we can do with this. Let me try this, and I'm just gonna do like hair-like strokes in the front of this brow. Yeah, this is like a red brown. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm possibly gonna give away the brow pencil and the brow marker to my sister. Hopefully with her hair it'll work out, but for me these are just a little too light and I'm honestly not gonna get use out of them. It just looks so red. It's pulling red on my skin tone, and also it's not going with my hair color. So these are definitely not my hair colors, but I can tell you right now, if you do find your shade in these like packs, I'd say the brow pencil is very creamy just right off the bat, something I noticed. And then this is a little deeper, but it's not deep enough. Honestly, I'm not liking how it looks and it's gonna ruin everything, so I'm just gonna stop using these. Now we are still gonna use the clear brow gel later on, as well as the highlight pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows first, and I'm gonna prime the eye as well. All right, I went ahead and filled in my brows using my e.l.f. Instant Lift brow pencil, and I primed the eyes using the AOA Studio Nude Soft Base eyeshadow primer. I've really been enjoying this. I think it works so well. I'm gonna go ahead and take that brow highlighting pencil, which is this one here, and I'm gonna throw some on the brow bone. That's basically how it looks. So I'm just gonna throw some on the brow bone and see what it does. I'm just gonna take some. It's really creamy, and I'm just gonna pat it in. I have two eyeshadow palettes from the 99. The first one here is the Nude eyeshadow palette, and this one's in Softly Nude. It's a really beautiful. You get some really amazing shades in here. And then we have this one here, which is the Pinky Nude. And of course, as the name implies, it comes with some pinky shades. There's the eyeshadow palettes up close and personal, and I also did go ahead and swatch them. I'll have those swatches on the screen. And on one side we have the Softly Nude palette, which as you can see is really nice. It was really creamy upon application on the hand, and honestly they felt so good to swatch, so I can't wait to play with this one on the eyes. And then we also have the pinky one, which is a pinky nude, and that one also as well is very creamy, really easy to swatch, and the shimmer shades are really nice in this palette, as well as the mattes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Softly Nude on one eye and the Pinky Nude on the other. This look is gonna be fairly easy because we only get 4 shades to work with. Really easy and to the point. We're gonna go ahead and take the cream shade, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade after. So there's the cream shade. I'm just gonna use that to set the primer. That went on really nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and take the brown that I showed you guys on my brush. We are experiencing a little bit of fallout, but honestly, I don't know how impressed I am with that shade, honestly. Lastly, I'm gonna take that deep brown in the palette. I'm gonna see if I could smoke that out in the outer corner. And then taking the shimmer on my finger, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that on the lid. And mixing those two browns, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this outer corner, and then this eye is gonna be done. All right, so that is one eye. It's okay. Let's see how the pinky nude goes. Same kind of deal with this palette. We're gonna go ahead and try to use all of these shades. Really easy to throw on. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cream shade, and we're just gonna do the same thing on this eye. Just gonna set. So this palette actually has two shimmers. I didn't even notice that. So I'm gonna go ahead and build up this shade on the outer corner. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, that shade is really pretty. I did use my color switch on it, but it is stained. I'm gonna go back in with the same color, and I'm gonna pack it on with this different brush just to kind of concentrate it more on the outer corner. That looks really pretty. I'm loving this shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the lighter tone and then the other tone on the lid. Taking that first shade, I'm gonna throw it on the inner portion here. Throw it on right here on the center. And just mixing the two so they could kind of blend in. I'm grabbing that pink matte shade again and just blending. All right, so that's what we have so far on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on liner and mascara, and we'll be right back. I went ahead and threw on some eyelashes. These are from Metamorphosis. You guys know I've been loving these lashes. There is no video where I haven't been wearing these. I love these lashes in the style Caterpillar. They are so beautiful. I just can't stop wearing them. I also went ahead and threw on foundation. I cream contoured and I cream highlighted. We're gonna go ahead and get into concealer, and this is the LA Colors Full Cover Concealer, and this is also available at the 99-cent store. And I picked up the shade Natural. So it does come with a standard doe foot applicator, and this is the shade Natural. This is actually the only concealer we're gonna use. Well, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Oh yeah, that's rather light. Feels kind of creamy though. It's going on rather easily. I don't know how much of a fan I am of this little doe foot situation. Okay, I'm gonna take that much. I'm gonna start blending that in. And I actually did a great job at lifting the eye. It's a really nice shade, just a little light for me. All right, so that's one layer of concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little more here, and then just throwing some on the face as well. So there's another look at the concealer before I set it down. I think it looks rather nice. All right, I went ahead and finished up the rest of the skin. Going back to that clear brow gel, I'm just gonna set these brows down. That is how that looks. We also have a Smoke and Mirrors product, and this is a Smoke and Mirrors dual-ended eyeliner pencil. We get a white and a black. So there is a swatch of this product, really cute. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and take the white. I'm gonna take it on this side here. And then taking the black, I'm gonna go to this pinky side here. Going back to the palettes for the pinky side, I'm gonna take that pink matte shade. I'm just gonna drag it on the lower lash line, kind of smoke it out. And then taking the nude palette, I'm just gonna mix both brown shades, and I'm gonna take them on the lower lash line here. So alongside that cinnamon lip balm, we also got a lipstick in the cinnamon shade as well. That's that shade there, as well as a lip liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips using this product. We did have a little bit of a mascara mishap, so I am going to clean that up in a little bit. I'm just letting it dry, and I'm just going to kind of fill in. That's a swatch of the lipstick. This is actually very dry, but again, that's a shade there, so I'm going to throw some on, and I am concentrating most of this in the center of the lips. I picked up two LA Colors lip glosses. The other one I used in a different video, which is going to be down below, and it's also on the playlist, but I have the clear one here, so this is the one we're going to be using today. And this smells so good. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know down below what was your favorite side. Did you like the pinky nude side, which is this one here? Or did you like the softly nude side on this side? So starting off with the palettes, let's get into my thoughts. I'm thinking the palettes are okay. Now, if you guys watched my other video, it was jam-packed full of LA Colors products, and we did use a couple of their newer palettes in that video. And I honestly recommend those palettes a little more than these. I think these were okay. I'd say if you're looking for a palette that's really easy to throw on and go for those very wearable looks, I'd suggest you purchase these. I think they're really cute, only $1. You can't really go wrong. But if you're looking for good quality and you're gonna create a lot of different looks with this and get more creative, I suggest you guys pick up the other palettes that I talked about in my other video. But I think these are okay if you're looking for something quick and easy. But again, if you're trying to get creative and stuff, there's no, I mean, you don't really have a lot to choose from with these palettes. You only get 4 shades, and I think they worked okay. Alright, let's talk about the cinnamon lip kit, which came with a lip liner, a lip balm, and a lipstick. I think this was cute. The lip that we have going on is okay. I think the shade, I'm not really living for this lip color on me, honestly. It's a very nice shade, really cute for once that like Christmas time rolls around again. I think this is really cute. I don't really recommend it, honestly. I just bought it because it was on sale. But it was a lot of fun using it. I think the lip liner was rather creamy-ish. It was a little stiff, but it did go on the lips rather easily. The lip balm was okay. It did tint the lips a little orange, so I was like, eh. And the lipstick's a little dry. So I'd say, I mean, if you see this, if you want to pick it up, you like the colors or whatever, I suggest it. I think it's cute. Not the best kit in the world, but I mean, cute for what, 50 cents that I purchased this for, because it was on sale, so that's why I picked that up. And then the LA Colors lip gloss, I really enjoy this shade as well as the other shade that I picked up. They're both really nice. They are a thicker type of lip gloss, so I'd suggest if you're wearing it, don't pack a lot on the lips because it's gonna get goopy. Other than that, I think this is a really nice gloss. And again, if you do put on gloss during like videos and stuff, I suggest you guys get like a wet wipe or even a napkin or something, and then just like stick your finger in your, that sounds weird, but you go ahead and go like that. It just removes all the product that's in the inner portion of your lips, and it helps it not get on your teeth, because I have that problem a lot. But ever since I started doing that, it's gotten just a little better. So that's just a little side note if you've been wondering how to do that. Even when you're wearing lipsticks and stuff like that, I like to do that little trick. A lot of people do it. I think it's amazing, and it's definitely something that I suggest if you're going to be wearing this gloss, because it's a little thicker. It might get on your teeth and all over the place, but I think this is a really nice one, and I'm really loving how it looks today. Talking about the brow stuff, I think this is okay if you can find your shade. I think this is an okay kit. Like I mentioned, the brow pencil was a little creamy, a little too creamy for me, honestly. I'm not going to reach for any of this except for the clear brow gel and possibly that brow highlight situation. I think that was really cute. It was just very, very creamy and nice, and it blended in rather nicely as well. So I think I'm going to use those. But as for like the colored pencils and stuff, I'm not going to get a use out of them. But if you can get it in your shade, I think this is going to work rather well for you. And then going on to these products, I think the concealer was okay, nothing extraordinary. Now it does look stunning on the under eye, so I'm going to keep trying it, and of course update you guys in different videos. And then the Smoke and Mirrors liner, I think this was okay. I really like the black side, but the white liner side, it took a little bit of building up, because just to kind of build up that white on the waterline, not my favorite look, honestly. I'm not really a big fan of white liner on me. It just kind of makes it look like I'm crying or something. I've never liked that look on me, but I think this is a really nice product. The black side was really creamy, really glided on, really easy to throw on the under eyes, but the white, not my favorite part of this pencil. But this is really cute. I believe it comes in different shades, so definitely check them out if you're into that. If you like white liner, I think this is cute. With that, we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high-end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person, you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.